Alright, so there's the timing pointer. It says time on it. And we are actually on the timing marks on the harmonic balancer. You can see the 0 right there. You can see the 20 just upwards of it. And what we're going to do is try to set the timing on this Mustang. Alright, so there's the distributor. It's underneath. We still have the original rubber boot. So the distributor cap is right underneath here. This is the plug for the distributor. Right next to it somewhere, on a yellow set of wires, you have the spout connector. When you're doing any timing adjustments, this spout connector has to be unplugged. So I'm going to unplug that. I'm just going to leave that plug hanging. Alright, before you do any timing adjustments, you unplug the spout connector like I showed you. And that bolt right there needs to be loosened. That is what holds down the distributor. So you want to loosen that so you're able to turn it. Alright, this is the type of timing light I have. It's just a cheapie. It's not digital or anything. I'm going to plug the positive on the positive side of the battery. Negative on the negative side of the battery. Alright, you have another piece here. This is going to go on the plug wire. And if you notice, there's an arrow pointing toward the plug, so make sure you get it on correctly. Alright, so if you notice, the timing mark is down there, the light is flashing. And in this case, it looks like it's way off, so we're going to do a little bit of adjusting. Alright, from this point you can see that I have a light shining on the harmonic balancer right down in there. That's the timing pointer, and then there are marks on the harmonic balancer. And it's hard for me to read those marks right now, and it was even harder when I had the timing light pointed at it. So I'm going to take a white marker and just highlight where the 0 is, and where the 10 is, and where the 20 is. I'm going to make those 3 marks. Alright, so right there I've marked the 0, the 10, and the 20. Alright, so now it's at about 12 degrees after I adjusted the distributor. This is how you adjust the distributor. You turn the distributor counterclockwise and clockwise, and that's going to change the timing. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and plug the spout connector back in. And then I'm going to check the timing one more time. All right, Sean, go ahead.